Okay, hello. This is the most impromptu intro part ever, but I realize I don't have an intro for this video and it literally just starts with me in my kitchen, so I thought I better give you a little rundown. This week I tried a vegan challenge. Now, I didn't do too well, but I did give it my solid effort, so without further ado, here's the video. Good morning, everybody. Wow, welcome to my trash kitchen. This morning, it is day one. I look so bad. Anyway. This lighting also is not helping, but whatever. It is day one of our Eat Vegan with Us. It is breakfast time. We are going to have some avocado toast. Easy, vegan, whatever. Too easy. I'm just choosing my morning tea. Tea, sis! Brekkie this morning looks kind of trash, but it's avo toast with a cup of tea. Amazing. Okay, so 2 minutes later and I am back in the kitchen. I am obviously still hungry. A big girl like me can eat. So I decided I was gonna make a smoothie. Now, again, another very easy vegan option. So, that's disgusting. Get our little smoothie maker. This is so good because they get your little frozen fruit in there. Get a little banana. So this little fruit mix has strawberries, pineapples, mango, passion fruit. It's so good. Now, we do have coconut milk in the fridge, but I'm not really sure. Or maybe I'll try it with coconut. Timmy, have you tried that coconut milk? He's being so rude today. We actually have this. We purchased this just for this challenge because we've actually never tried it. I'm not the biggest fan of any milk anyway, like just the thought of it kind of makes me gag. Oh my gosh. But let's... Am I supposed to try this by itself?
It looks like that.
I don't think I'm gonna add that to my smoothie. It's fine, but I'm not gonna add it. Add a little bit of water. Wow, please excuse this. This whole kitchen is very hard to work with, but this is the best of a bad situation here. So, fill it with water, put the little lid on it, and blend it up. Cheers, hun. Delicious. So we are now at the beach, enjoying a nice little vegan walk on this beautiful day.
What do you mean? Show them the view.
This is what we are working with. It's so stunning today actually, so we actually thought we should probably get out of the house. Fat fucks. So, yeah. We're gonna go home and enjoy a nice little vegan snack. Delicious! So apparently popcorn is vegan, so this is our little afternoon vegan snack. Okay, hello, this is me and my little pile of veggies here. I haven't actually finished, I've still got this, my limp asparagus, and a little carrot to add to this pile. But yeah, we're gonna have a little couscous concoction and then some roast potatoes with that meal. Yeah, cooking the couscous like this, and I'm honestly not sure if that's how you do it or not. I've added oil and water. I actually have no idea. But whatever. Here's our little veggies. Okay, so the finished product doesn't look that great. I've just added some avo and some balsamic glaze. And we're good to go! Yay, yum!
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So it is about 10 PM and we just fancy a sweet treat. So we've headed to Countdown and we are currently in search of a nice vegan treat. So we're looking for a vegan ice cream, which is, I don't know. Do we really want to fuck with any of these? Probably not, but we're going to because we're vegan, so...
We're vegan.
Yeah. So we are now in our second supermarket. The first supermarket in Taka was not cutting it. The vegan options there were awful. So now we are at a much more gourmet supermarket with a lot more selection for us vegans. So we couldn't decide on one together, so we decided to get one separate, which is so annoying, but whatever.
It's like fine.
It's like fine, it's like vegan options, you know?
So we've just got our little dessert.
We just have our vegan snack and we thought we will try them.
We're gonna do a mukbang.
A little mukbang. Oh. Babes, try that.
It smells like weed.
Where?
Can you smell that?
It's this, bro.
Oh, it actually is.
Boy, it tastes like it too in the mouth. That's probably why I like it. Just kidding. It's so strong and like almost bitter, but it's so good. We just came to enjoy our little dessert with this stunning view of the city. Amazing. So this is this morning's breakfast. Some toast with peanut butter and banana, a little smoothie, and this bread. And I actually just checked, but the bread is definitely vegan, which I wasn't expecting because this is the cheap bread, but it's definitely vegan. So delicious. Wow, I look bad, but whatever. I just went for a walk, so now it is lunchtime. I have some dumplings in this bowl here. This is vegan dumplings, so I'll actually try one. Yes, amazing. Okay, it is now dinner time and I am starving, but we don't have really any vegetables or anything really to cook here. So I thought this is a perfect opportunity to try a little bit of a vegan cheat meal. So I got house pizza and I got this little salad as the side just because I just felt like some veggies actually. I'm not sure what's happening to me, but I just feel like some veggies. So that looks, it looks average to be fair. I'll show you that. Just a bit of balsamic in the top there, and then there's apparently cucumber, lettuce, and all of that shit as well. Just like a standard lettuce, you know, whatever. Oh my gosh. Now I asked the chefs to make it not, like I left a little note and I said please don't make it too spicy because there's like jalapenos and stuff on this and I cannot handle spicy. So this is it's huge. I didn't realize it was going to be this big, but okay, I'll show you. So this is what we are working with. It is so big. I've never seen anything like it, and I can see a fuck load of jalapenos on there. So that's an issue. There's dairy-free cheese on here too, so I hope it's nice. I don't know. Ah! Okay, so let's try this. The pieces are so big. I didn't realize it was going to be this big. There's like refried beans, avocado, tomato, jalapenos, dairy-free mozzarella, onion, and I think that's it. That's all that's on here. Like it's okay. Yeah, like it's fine, you know? Okay, so a slight update. Oh my god. I've had 2 pieces and I'm honestly dying. Like, woo, I do not handle spice well and this is fucking taking it out of me. Where is my water? Quickly! Quick! But I think this is gonna make it worse. Can you see, is my face swollen? Oh, sorry. Perfect. I need some lettuce to really... I think I just had a big piece of like... Whew. My nose is running. Do they get less strong when it goes cold or stronger? I'll have to Google. Update, delicious, but nah, they didn't listen to my note about the no jalapeno. So we have done our weekly shop and we filled everything and it is strictly vegan in here, so that is awesome. Okay, good morning. I look really bad. I just literally woke up. But for this morning's breakfast, I'm going to have some of this with some coconut milk and banana put on top. Okay, hello. This lighting is really not great for my face, but it's fine. What was I saying? It is now lunchtime. It's 2 o'clock. I have work in 2 hours. Kill me. And I cannot be bothered making anything, seriously. So now I'm like, fuck, this is where it gets hard. I don't even know what I normally eat. Because yesterday I felt like I had like a bad day, you know, I ate dumplings. Look at this massive pimple. I mean, do vegans get pimples? I don't know, this is a fraud. I had like dumplings and pizza, so it wasn't very healthy, you know? So I've tried today, well today I had like cereal for breakfast, which I never normally have cereal, but I just thought I'd branch out. I'm trying to decide, I think I might want to make like vegetables or something just because I have work later. I might make like a little udon stir fry number. I just can't be bothered, you know? I will go and have a look at my pantry. Wow, this room behind me, I'm so sorry, it looks so bad. I guess I'm gonna go and find something to cook. Ooh. Being a vegan is hard. So here I have cooked some rice, potato, broccoli, carrot, capsicum, and cabbage as a little curry thing. I've added coconut cream and a coconut curry vegetables flavoring. So yeah, I hope it's good. I'm not sure. Okay, hello. This is not very flattering at all. But we're just having a little snack at work. Just some popcorn, so still vegan at work. Okay, hello everybody. So I realized that this video ended very abruptly, and that was due to the fact that I did not complete this challenge. Now, I'm not proud of it, and it wasn't even that hard to complete in the scheme of things. But the next day after that, I went up north to see my family. I found it very hard to eat vegan up there just because I was not only seeing my family, I was literally seeing all my friends too. And I don't know, in Auckland, the vegan options are limited anyway, but then up there is even more limited if you're buying lunch, buying dinner, you know, then there's not really much to buy. Now I know that that's a very feeble excuse and not at all something that whatever, I know that it's not good, but it's fine. To be honest, it was not as hard as I was expecting, but also it was quite hard in the sense that we weren't getting our protein and iron really from anywhere, because we weren't we were kind of just cutting it out. So we weren't eating chickpeas and all that kind of thing that vegans do get their protein from. So that was a mistake on our half. We didn't do that. We weren't aware that we didn't have a clue, to be fair. We just went into this very dive right in and kind of fucked us over. But it's fine. We have a whole new appreciation for vegans. It's definitely, we've always said this, it's definitely a lifestyle change. Your whole relationship and stuff with food is different. You have to take time to prepare it. It's not just that you get it and go. So yeah, definitely heads up to the vegans. Didn't do as well as we thought. I think we did maybe 4 days, pushing it, maybe 3, not sure. But we still have a lot of vegetables in the fridge, so we're still implementing that. We did okay, you know, this for a first time attempt, not bad. Not great, but not bad, so yeah.